Over the weekend, Tesla held a special pop-up event at Art Basel Miami Beach, the huge international art fair in Florida. It was called The Future of Autonomy Visualized, and it was supposed to show off Elon Musk's futuristic tech, like the Cybercab and the Optimus robot. But instead, a video from the event went viral for all the wrong reasons, and honestly, it's pretty hilarious. The video is only 5 seconds long, but it's pure comedy gold. It shows a Tesla Optimus robot standing at a table. It awkwardly knocks over a few bottles of water, then raises its arms like it's taking off a VR headset. Then its arms just drop. One hand smacks water bottle so hard it explodes, spraying water everywhere. And for the grand finale, Optimus just seems to power down and falls backward, completely lifeless. It's like a scene from a slapstick movie. So, what exactly happened here? The internet's best guess, and the most likely explanation, is that this wasn't an autonomous robot at all. It was being controlled by a person somewhere behind the scenes using something called Teleoperation. The theory is that the human operator took off their VR headset before properly disconnecting from the robot. When they did that, the robot mimicked their arm movements, causing the chaos, and then just went limp. It's a classic case of the wizard behind the curtain messing up. This kind of remote control for robots, or teleoperation, isn't new. It's been around since the 1940s. Even Walt Disney used a similar concept to control the animatronics for the Carousel of Progress at the 1964 New York World S Fair. Of course, he didn't have fancy VR headsets, but the principle is the same. A hidden person pulls the strings, making the robot move in real time. And what makes this incident in Miami so ironic is the name of the event, The Future of Autonomy Visualized. They were showcasing the future of robots that can think for themselves. But the star of the show was apparently just a high-tech puppet that had a major stage fright moment. This is far from the first time Musk has been caught, let's say, stretching the truth about Optimus's abilities. Remember back in January 2024? Musk posted that famous video of Optimus neatly folding a shirt. His fans on X went wild. Folding laundry is a complex task for a robot, and it looked like a huge leap forward. But then, eagle-eyed viewers noticed something suspicious. For a split second, you could see a human hand pop into the corner of the frame, perfectly mirroring the robot's movements. It turned out the robot wasn't folding the shirt on its own. It was, you guessed it, being teleoperated. Fast forward to October 2024, at another big Tesla event in Los Angeles. Musk unveiled his Cybercab concept, promising it was just a couple of years away. At the after-party, there were Optimus robots pouring beers and handing them to guests. Super impressive, right? Well, tech evangelist Robert Scoble started asking around and was told that, yep, those robots were also being controlled by humans. The Tesla diner in LA has also featured Optimus robots handing out popcorn. And many people suspect those are remote controlled as well. Because of all this, a new trend has started. Whenever a company posts a video of a cool new robot, people immediately ask, is it autonomous or teleoperated? It has gotten to the point where some robot makers now explicitly add text to their videos saying not teleoperated, just to get ahead of the skepticism that Musk has created. His showmanship has made everyone a robot detective. Just recently, Musk posted a video of Optimus supposedly learning Kung Fu. When someone asked if it was autonomous, Musk simply replied, AI, not teleoperated. But people were doubtful. especially since you could clearly see a guy holding what looks like a video game controller in the background. It all circles back to the Miami mishap. One commenter on X poked fun at the situation, sarcastically saying they weren't worried about Musk's plan to deliver 1 billion robots. They wrote, "I'm not sure where Elon Musk is going to find enough teleoperators though, since the robotaxis still need an equal number of safety drivers. It's gonna be a rough year." And that's another good point. Musk's robotaxi service, which he promised would be fully autonomous by now, is currently operating in Texas with a human safety driver in every car. It's not exactly the driverless future we were sold. Musk's promises are getting bigger and bigger. He said Tesla will be producing 1 million humanoid robots by 2030, and that there will be 1 billion of them in the world by 2040. He even famously promised his robots would one day babysit your kids. But if we're almost 2 years on from the fake laundry folding video, and Optimus still can't hand out a bottle of water without a human puppeteer, and a catastrophic failure, it really makes you wonder. Another video from the same Miami event shows an Optimus robot successfully handing a water bottle to a guest, but then the person tries to hand the bottle back, wanting the robot to set it down on the table. Optimus hesitates. It seems reluctant to take the bottle back. Why? Well, after seeing the other video of it falling over, it's possible the operator struggled with depth perception. They might have been afraid of knocking over more things if they tried to put the bottle back on the table. Even attendees who didn't see the robot fall over seemed a bit underwhelmed. One person posted online that they were expecting a deeper dive into how Tesla's technology works. The viral video has also sparked a wave of jokes online. One person on Bluesky wrote, "I am afraid I finally have an answer for why the Tesla Optimus that was bartending at my holiday party held an invisible gun to its head before collapsing." It's funny, but it also reminds you of those sci-fi movies where the robots malfunction in dramatic ways, like in RoboCop 2. Elon Musk has bet the entire future of Tesla on AI and humanoid robots. But the gap between his grand promises and the clumsy reality we're seeing is getting wider. The incident at Art Basel wasn't just a funny blooper. It was a very public visualization of how difficult building true autonomy actually is. And it shows that while Musk is great at selling the dream, other companies might be quietly getting closer to making it a reality. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the Optimus robot and Tesla's promises? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. See you in the next one.